Has this ever happened to you?
I hate having hiccups.
I know, it's terrible.
Anyways, as I was saying,
Oh, you really need to stop talking. You're getting on my nerves.
well, it's not like it's my fault or anything. I want these stupid hiccups gone.
Why, you can try to beat the world record or something. It's only a couple of years.
That's not funny. I don't want hiccups.
Okay, well, try holding your breath. Or put sugar underneath your tongue. Oh, put peanut butter underneath your tongue. Count down from 100 while drinking water.
Or you could just use Hit the Road Hiccups. Are you tired of all the super lame hiccup tricks that never work? Well, now there's Hit the Road Hiccups, the breath spray that cures hiccups with just 3 quick and easy sprays.
Hit the road hiccups?
That's right. Try some.
Wow, that's amazing. Your hiccups are gone. So no water, peanut butter, or counting backwards?
That is correct. And now you can own this wonderful product for just $19.99 plus shipping and handling. That's right, folks. You can own a bottle of Hit the Road Hiccups for less than $20. Just dial the number at the end of this ad, and you can own your very own bottle of Hit the Road Hiccups and be hiccup free.
Having hiccups can be such a nuisance, but after using Hit the Road Hiccups, I find myself completely hiccup free every single time. It's great for the whole family, completely baby safe.
I've used Hit the Road Hiccups on my little brothers. It doesn't have bad taste, so they don't complain at all.
This product is not available in stores, so be sure to call 1-800-HICCUP. That's 1-800-HICCUP. But wait! Call now and you can get a second bottle free. That's 2 bottles of the fabulous Hit the Road Hiccups for only $19.99 plus shipping and handling. You are never going to get another offer like this, so please be sure to call now.
Since you only need 3 sprays per case of hiccups, the bottle lasts a very long time. It never expires and never loses any flavor.
Side effects may include, but are not limited to, headache, upset stomach, upset liver, loss of teeth, bloated tongue, itchy, watery eyes, swelling on the bottom, chronic hiccups, diarrhea, explosive diarrhea, implosive diarrhea, ham, and a sudden urge to jive in small to moderate groups. Call now!
I'm just gonna do a random little thing and just talk. Oh, just talk. Just do stuff. I gotta see how good the microphone is. Boo. Like, how quiet are y'all going to be, and how loud are y'all going to be?
Well, I'm not going to be like, I hate having hiccups!
Has this ever happened to you?
I hate having hiccups.
I know, it's terrible.
Has this ever happened to you?
Okay. Go.
Oh, crap.
Has this ever happened to you?
I hate having hiccups.
I know, it's terrible.
Okay, as I was saying,
You should really stop talking to me.
Blooper.
On my nerves.
dinner!
Oh. That's right. Here, try some. Or not.
Well, that's, alrighty then.
That's right. Try some.
Having hiccups can be a nuisance, but after using Hit the Road Hiccups, I find myself completely hiccup free. It's great for the whole family, completely baby safe.
Y'all have to say call now.